Evening, everyone. This is Royce Miller. Come back at you with yet another Let's Try. I'm back from parts unknown, in the depths, the bowels of my workplace, just so that I can film me eating food. Tonight on the docket, we have Buffalo Wild Wings. Buffalo Wild Wings was a more recent addition to my life. The first one appeared in Council Bluffs when I was in high school, and I loved it. I love me some Asian zing and some garlic parmesan, but either I got old or they got spicier, because the Asian zing now is too spicy for me. So what am I eating tonight? It is the bird dog. What is the bird dog? I have no idea. My guess is that it's either a chicken tender or a chicken sausage on a bun, treated like a hot dog. Some green onions on here, but that's okay. I don't mind some green onions. It's a little... I prefer cooked onions, but there are actually cooked onions on here. This is honey mustard, beer cheese, sauteed onions, and scallions, all with a weird little chicken thingy on a toasted bun. There is a flavor kind of inherent to Buffalo Wild Wings sauces. I don't know what it is, but it's good. It is a tender. I wouldn't have minded a deep fried chicken sausage. That might have been fun. The honey mustard is a little spicy. The beer cheese is kind of lost. The onions are delicious. The sauteed onions. The other onions aren't an enemy at all. Like, I don't taste any green onion. Mostly when I think of green onion, I think of my mom's pasta salad or her seafood salad. She'll do like a mock crab dip with raw green onion in it. That's really good. I'm actually a little relieved because the last time I ordered a chicken item from Buffalo Wild Wings, that wasn't their boneless wings. It had a weird consistency, and I thought it was undercooked. That was their chicken sandwich, back when they were trying to compete with Popeyes. Oh man, that is spicy. Like, it's kind of that cayenne pepper spice where it's not really flavorful, it's just heat, heat, heat. Man, my tongue is, I got the meal, so I got some onion rings to go with it. Let's have some of those to cool down. Where's the sauce? Oh man, hold on, gotta get this open. That's barbecue sour cream. I love beer batter, especially on onion rings. That is actually good. That is the perfect way to cool down. Granted, fat does make spice a little more intense sometimes, but just the good, the barbecue, the barbecue ranch dip and the onion rings are a good way to cool off after that surprisingly spicy honey mustard. Or it might be the nacho cheese that's the spicy part. I don't know. I'm saving the rest of those for after the second one because because apparently the meal comes with two. So this is kind of like their answer to a slider, I guess, since, it is kind of it's two chicken strips, but they're on buns. There is kind of an almost beef and cheddar experience with the interplay between the cheese and the honey mustard on that bite. But the beef and cheddar is mild and sweet, and this is very spicy somehow. I'm not sure what part of it is where the spice is coming from. There appears to be a black sesame seed on it for some reason. I hope I didn't accidentally order a ghost pepper thing. Ugh. I'm gonna be chugging milk after this. Good lord. The forbidden way to eat a hot dog. You know what I think it is? I think the bird dog itself has a, like, something. There is something on there. Because the spiciest bites are all the bird dog. I think I somehow ordered something with buffalo on it, like hot buffalo. Which I'm not a big fan of vinegar sauces. I don't mind them, but I don't like spicy vinegar. Hot tamale. And man, B-Dubs was really, really, well, not really, but they were pretty full for a Thursday night. Also just weirds me out that a place called Buffalo Wild Wings kind of propositions itself as like, almost like a honky-tonk bar, but Buffalo Wings were created in the Anchor Bar in New York. Like, it shouldn't be, sports and stuff like that. Sports and beer. It should be like or it shouldn't be honky tonk. It should be, I don't know. Upstate New York, English Tavern, New England Tavern. But I can understand that kind of defies what the buffalo wing represents. Like bar food. Man, that was way spicier than I thought it'd be. I gotta go. Y'all have a good night.